How to troubleshoot intermittent electrical ground faults. Imagine flickering lights or a circuit breaker tripping unexpectedly. These are signs of electrical ground faults that come and go, making them tricky to find. Today, we will walk through how to track down these elusive faults step by step. First, it helps to understand what a ground fault is. It happens when a live wire accidentally touches the ground or a grounded part of the system. This creates an unintended path for current to flow, which can be dangerous. Grounding systems are designed to give a safe route for fault current to go to Earth, helping protect people and equipment. When a ground fault occurs, the current flows through the grounding system, making it easier to detect. But with intermittent faults, the current only flows sometimes, which complicates detection. Start with a visual inspection. Check all wiring insulation for damage, cracks, or moisture exposure. Damaged insulation is a common cause of ground faults. Look for loose or corroded ground connections at junction boxes, panels, and equipment terminals. A loose ground can hide faults or cause false readings. Next, verify the integrity of the grounding system at the main panel. Make sure the grounding conductor is properly connected and not broken or disconnected. Using a multimeter, measure the voltage between conductors and ground. A small voltage indicates a good connection, but a higher voltage could mean a fault. Resistance to ground testing is also useful. Disconnect circuits one at a time and measure resistance between conductors and ground. Low resistance suggests a fault. For intermittent faults, try to recreate conditions that cause the issue. For example, turn on or move equipment or introduce moisture to see if the fault appears. Specialized ground fault monitors or relays can help detect faults that are hidden or only occur under certain conditions. These devices filter electrical noise and harmonics, reducing false alarms. When testing ground fault circuit interrupters or GFCS, ensure they trip properly by pressing the test button. Reset them and check if they trip again under load. If they don't trip when they should, they might be faulty. Systematically test from GFCS to outlets and then to main breakers to locate the problem area. In systems like photovoltaic solar setups or fire alarm circuits, voltage-to-ground testing can identify faulty strings or circuits. Remember, intermittent faults often appear during specific conditions, such as wet weather or when equipment moves. Conduct tests during these times for better chances of detection. Electrical noise and harmonics from modern equipment can mimic ground faults. Use ground fault relays designed to filter out these signals to avoid unnecessary trips. Following these steps helps ensure you accurately locate and fix intermittent ground faults. This process improves safety, keeps systems running smoothly, and prevents unexpected shutdowns. Troubleshooting ground faults takes patience and methodical testing, but with careful work, you can keep electrical systems safe and reliable.